On 7 July, Sot Recho Youth Club along with the villagers initiated a social work at Sot Recho village for a clean and hygienic environment and also to ensure the roads are not covered with turf. It is notable that Sot Recho village is the largest Karbi village in Bokajan. Members of Sot Recho Youth Club on this occasion organized mini awareness program along with a cleanliness drive. The awareness program was presided by Anand Kiling, Gangbura, Baliram Kathar, retired SK along with other dignitaries attended the event to grace the occasion. Baliram Kathar, retired SK, while interacting with the villagers, expressed his suggestions on how one could maintain cleanliness and farm the house for a sustainable future. More than 60 villagers volunteer the cleanliness drive. Anantaram's report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live.